So I've got my son Harry helping us today with our experiment. So he's just going to talk you through what we need for this experiment. So Harry, what do we need?
You need a bicarbonate. I have not got allowed to say that, so.
Bicarbonate of soda.
You need a jug. You need a spoon, and if you want food colouring, then you can get food colouring. And you need an ice tray.
Good. So the food colouring is optional, but we do need the rest of things. Bicarbonate of soda is often used in bakery, so there's a good chance you might have some in the house already, but make sure you ask your parents before you use any. Okay, so for step one, we have filled up our jug of water. We've gone for about 300 millilitres. Okay, then we need to add quite a bit of bicarbonate of soda now. So Harry, do you want to do that above the jug in case any spills? Let's try 4 big tablespoons.
Okay.
So if I pour it onto your spoon. Oops, are we good at filming? Right. So we'll do 4 of those. Tip it in. Yeah, tip it in. 1, 2. It's very rough measuring this. 3. 4. Right, give that a good stir then. So your water should be sort of a bit cloudy looking now. So you can add food colouring if you want, that is optional. We just thought we might do it just to make it a bit more fun. So once that bicarbonate of soda is dissolved in your water, is it gone, Harry?
I'm not sure.
Looks like it's, there's no lumps in there now, are there?
I mean, I can still see a
Alright, keep going. We'll let him finish that and then we'll come back. So for the next step, we're going to add a bit of food colouring. You don't have to do this, it's just if you happen to have it, and it'll make it look a bit more interesting. So Harry, choose a colour and squirt the colour into the water. Good squirting. Right, that should be enough. You don't need loads of food colouring, it goes quite a long way. Okay, so stir that in. Okay, so our next step is we're going to very carefully pour our...
That's not very careful, is it?
Carefully. Right, pour it into your ice cube trays. Carefully, that's better. Right, it doesn't have to be full to the top. So,
Yep, that's definitely one.
Right, we'll finish this off, then we're going to put it in the freezer, and then we'll come back to it in a few hours when it's had chance to freeze. Okay, so that's your first step. Then you can come back later on when your ice cubes are frozen.
Okay, now I need to start
and we'll continue with the experiment then. Okay, so our ice cubes have now set. You can see they're frozen. So for the next part of the experiment, you're going to need the following equipment. Some vinegar. There we go. Your ice cubes, which obviously have already got the bicarbonate of soda in already.
Nice.
And some kind of container to put it in. I think this could get a little bit messy, so just make sure you're doing this experiment somewhere that you can easily wipe down. Okay, right, so Harry, if you want to pour some vinegar, I'll tell you when to stop. You just want it to be deep enough that the ice cubes can, I'm sorry, I got a bit distracted with my filming then. Want the ice cubes to be able to be covered, so I'll tell you when to stop.
Do I pour it into the container?
Yeah, put it into the container. Keep going. Right, stop.
Can also cook, but I won't want to cook
Okay.
that time.
Let's see. What do you think might happen? Have a think before we get started. Everybody at home, what do you think might happen when we put these ice cubes into the vinegar? Okay, so you can pause this video and have a little think, maybe jot some ideas down, and when you're ready, then we can obviously carry on. Right, so Harry, if you want to now pop, let's just move it away from the edge.
Oh, it smells disgusting.
Right, pop them in.
I can't do it.
Do you want to come and film? Just hold it so you can see that bit. Don't get me in it. Okay. Now I think we have to wait a little bit for the ice to melt before anything. Oh, can you see what's happening?
Soda reacting.
Okay, look at that. Get it a bit nearer then so you can see.
You can hear it fizzing.
Yeah. Does it remind you of anything?
Coke.
Yeah.
And I also got a thought. We could do Mentos and Coke or something.
So you can see there is quite a reaction. It's a bit like a bath bomb, isn't it?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, stop filming.
Bath,